Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add the gradient border around different elements in Elementor. So now let me go and click on edit with Elementor, and now here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. So now let me go here and create a new section. Click on plus button and then let me add flexbox container. So now inside this container I need to add one more container. Then let me decrease container width. For example, I want to keep it for 50, and now here you can see this one is the container width. After that, now let me drag here one image. So let me select this image, and now let me go to container setting. So let me click on structure, and here you can see these are three containers. So now let me edit this one, then go to style tab and click on gradient. Scroll down, let's add some gradient color, and here you can see border is added. You can change different colors. So now how you can add border around the text. Now let me add one more container, then inside that let me add one other container, and then now we need to reduce container width, let's say for 50, and now let me drag here some element, for example text editor, and then go to container settings, then style, then click on gradient. So now here you can see we have a background. So now how you can change, let's go to element settings, then go to advanced tab, scroll down and click on background, then go here background type and add the white color. Let's add 80 and bottom 80. So now here you can see border is added around the text.